As people crowd airports, gather around dinner tables, and head to shopping malls this holiday weekend, health officials are growing more concerned that those gatherings could lead to more spikes in respiratory infections like the flu, RSV, and even COVID. It's being called a tripledemic. CBS's Manuel Bojorquez explains.
As viral infections continue to rise nationwide, people like Sherry Wharton are vocal about vaccines. On Facebook, she wrote, "I hesitated getting my COVID shot this time, but I thought of our dear friends we lost before vaccines were available."
I don't want to lose any of my children or my grandchildren or my friends.
But the message is lost on even some of her loved ones.
What's this conversation going to be like at the Thanksgiving dinner?
My children are very outspoken. I have one in particular that will not take the booster, but that's his choice. And that's just how I have to leave it.
Doctors are concerned holiday gatherings may accelerate a so-called tripledemic, a convergence of flu, RSV, and COVID cases. While COVID cases declined slightly from the previous week, hospitalizations for the flu are at the highest level for this time of year in more than a decade. At least 36 states are seeing elevated levels of RSV cases compared to this time last year. Dr. Eileen Marty of Florida International University warns against taking the threat of illness lightly.
We're noticing that whether it's a child, adult, or elderly person, if they've had COVID, their risk for a worse outcome from the other viruses is increased.
Still, there are things everyone can do.
So hand sanitizer, wash your hands, and if you're feeling ill, separate yourself or wear a mask.
It's common sense.
Despite public health campaigns urging vaccination, just over a quarter of adults have gotten their flu shot. Even fewer have received the latest COVID booster. There is still no vaccine for RSV.
Manny, thank you.